Hey guys, today is a quick tutorial show you guys how to update your Wan2GP. So first, locate your Wan2GP folder and scroll down until you locate this file, wgp.py, and right click and select property. And under here, copy the location. And after you copy location, come to here, search Anaconda Prompt. So once load up, type in cd and paste your directories. And now we're under the directory. And now we type in conda activate Wan2GP, or in lowercase, and hit enter. And when you see the Wan2GP on the front, means we're into the Python environment. This is very important. Next, we type pp install -r space requirements.txt. I will leave all the commands in the descriptions and you guys can copy paste from there. And after that, just hit enter. And now the code will downloading all the required updates. And now we're finished. So now if you launch your Wan2GP, it should be in the latest version. Thank you very much for you guys to watching. And if you have any questions, leave in the comments. Otherwise, like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video.